Tyler the Creator does 5 special things on the lead synth of Glitter. So in this video, we're going to remake the sound using a free synth. To create the foundation of our lead, start with a saw, add a filter, and make it play one note at a time. The original has a much more aggressive tone, so to create that, we're going to do 3 steps. For a brighter sound, drag the slider to the right. Next, we're going to assign note to drive, so we get more distortion the higher we play up the keyboard. And to remove some harshness, we're going to use a spectral filter. If you want more information about this technique, check out the video on our Patreon. A great synth preset will fit nicely in your mix without you having to add a lot of processing afterwards. So to make this preset easily blend with the other instruments in our track, go into the EQ section and remove some lows and remove some highs. By narrowing the spectrum that this sound covers, we've created more space for the other elements in our track. Panning. On the original song, you can hear the synth panning from the left to the right. If you want this to happen automatically, drag random to the pan. And every note you play on the keyboard will randomly pan around your head. However, if you want precise control over the panning, you can either automate it by hand or you can use an auto panning plugin. Next, we need to add some glide. But in this song, Tyler does something very special. He adds some wrong notes to the MIDI. Subscribe to learn more about sound design.